Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 2020 345 Boston Whaler Conquest. This boat is equipped with three 350s with joystick piling, which makes it really easy to dock. Got a beautiful stern seat back here. Live well on your port side. This boat also has port and starboard fold-out seats. Table still underneath the mechanical area. It has the optional summer kitchen package. Great seat that flips back and forth. So when you're not cooking, foot pad comes out with the optional storage underneath. Nice little wet bar with storage and optional radio control. As we move into the cockpit, all 345s have helm and cabin AC and heat. Filler cushion fills this in, turns into a nice L-shaped lounger. Over to the helm area, you got the Axiom 16-inch display with room for a second one, the Vessel View 7, joystick piling, which also gives you skyhook and autopilot, VHF, and then your controls for your AC. As you move down to the cabin, they've done a great job giving you a flexible V-berth that is either a bed or a seating area. A nice little seating area to your right. Generous sized mid-cabin. A well-appointed galley. And a good sized head. All these features makes the 345 one of the best boats to go exploring with, whether you're going out with the family or going offshore fishing. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our inventory, my name is Dan Thompson. You can reach me at 978-375-1584. I look forward to getting you on the water. Bye-bye.